Janet at Covenant Homeschool Resource Center, and I have some exciting news to share with you guys. Number one, I want to say thank you to all the families that donated to our new and amazing STEAM section: science, technology, engineering, art, and math. STEAM. It's right behind me. We purchased all the shelves and we moved all of the items here. All the math is right behind me, and art is here, and there's a little more on that side. We're super excited to have everything together on this side. Ooh, I think I want to get this book. Oh, the other thing that we got with our summer fundraiser is baskets. Look at this. You guys don't have to be carrying all kinds of stuff. When you guys shop, you can put the things that you're wanting to shop here, and it's so much more comfortable. And there's so many places that you can lay it down, so if it gets heavy, you don't have to worry. Ooh, look at this book. I think I want this one. So the next thing I wanted to let you guys know is, now that the new year is getting started, a new school year, all of Covenant's workshops are full. And Karen is our amazing science teacher, and her classes do fill up early on workshops. So if you're interested, make sure you sign up for our newsletter. If you go to our website, chsrc.org, you will find there a place to sign up. And then Chris is also going to put it in the notes. And every year in April and May, we let everybody know when the classes are coming up, what's available, the dates, all the information. So if you sign up on a newsletter, when it comes out, you can be the first one to register. Because I know there's a lot of people that are kind of bummed out that they didn't get to join Karen's Sciences. But it will be on, I think, next year. You know, Karen will be retiring sooner than later. So you want to take advantage, because she really has amazing classes. Okay, and then if you forgot to buy a book, come and see us anytime. But if you want to take advantage of the sale, we are having a I Forgot a Book sale. And the dates is September 12th to the 15th, and that will be 20% of used books. So come and visit us and save a little extra money. You know, our used books are already discounted about 40% or more, even up to 90%. So no matter what, if you come during a sale on that, you get to save a ton of money. And last but not least, on September 29th, we're having two wonderful things going on. Picture Day. I'll have Chris put in the notes too, that you can register in the link there, and you can also go to our website and register today to reserve your spot for Picture Day. And on Picture Day, we're also going to be having story time, our first story time of the new school year. So there's always a lot going on here at Covenant. If you know anybody that needs to start with homeschooling, we are here to unterrify you. And even if you're a veteran and you just need a refresher, you need somebody to encourage you, come and visit us. You know, we have one of our moms that has become our friend. She comes here for what she calls her mental health time. So come and visit us anytime that you're looking for a book, or you're curious, or you're thinking about next year, or you just need encouragement. We are here to support you. Ooh, I think I want to check out in our brand new register. Look at this. This is our biggest unit. And we also got what we call a mini that we can take out to when we go to the conferences. So should we use a mini or? Okay, well, thank you, Julie. Thank you guys for joining me. And it is so much faster. Everybody's like super happy now that they can register with our new items. Good to see you guys.